Hi, I am sometimes asked by a lot of people that you talk about low code, but we don't know when to use low code. How should we decide when to use low code? So I thought I'll make a video out of that. So you are an enterprise and you have decided that you need some software. So the first thing that you should look for is there a off-the-shelf COTS software, either SaaS or on-prem software that is out there which exactly meets your needs, that exactly what you need is solved by that software, or there are some compromises that you are ready to make, and in that case that would be your best bet. So choose one of the softwares among those, because that will be the most economical and the fastest to go to market for you. So if that is satisfied, you are done. Now maybe there are cases where you want a software solution, but none of these off-the-shelf solutions kind of meet your exact needs, and you have your own custom business process, or you want to build a custom user experience which is not being provided by this off-the-shelf software. In that case, you have one or two options. Or rather, I will first say you have really one option, which is you have to build the software yourself. Right now, how you build it, in that sense you have one of two options now. You could use a traditional software development processes, and you set up a project team with software developers, project manager, maybe the business team will provide the user stories, and you go ahead and build that software. So that is your option number one. But now with low code you have another option, that you could build some of these applications using low code technology. The advantages would be that you can build them really quick, right? So, and you can also make a lot of changes in them. So now the question is, should one use the traditional software development processes and mechanisms or project plan, and when should one use low code? So I'm going to talk about VoicerGos specifically. So VoicerGos, we have designed it for digital transformation kind of projects, which are typically a layer that sits on top of these system of record solutions like your core banking, your policy management, your claims management, your CRM, and all our customer database, maybe all your interactions database. All of those are system of record solutions. And a digital transformation project would typically use all of them and sit on top of them and provide a custom user experience or create a custom process flow. If your problem is of that nature, then you can definitely think of using a low-code platform like VoicerGos or any other. Of course, there are, and note that in these type of projects, typically the functionality of the solution or the use case of the solution is controlled by the business teams, but you have to build them, right? So in those cases you can use low code. Of course, there is this other case which are probably infrastructure solutions, right? So if you are building something which that it will be defined by the IT team, typically they will not change a lot over time. Once you build it, that is it, and after that you can keep on using it. Such infrastructure solutions you can build using traditional software development means. But you must think of using low code when your solution is something that is, like I described, digital transformation projects, and where more importantly the functionality is defined by business teams, and as business changes and process changes and new products are introduced, the functionality has to change rapidly in matter of hours and days, and not like weeks and months that you are used to in traditional software development. Thank you. Hope that helps.